If you love woodworking and tools that actually make your life easier, this list is going to blow you away. From high-precision measuring tools to powerful cordless upgrades, these are the 10 must-have woodworking tools of 2025 that every serious DIYer should know about. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. FindBuyTool 13-inch benchtop with thickness planer. Starting strong. The FindBuyTool 13-inch benchtop thickness planer is a beast for anyone who wants perfectly smooth boards. It's powered by a 15-amp motor running up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, and its helical cutter head gives you whisper-smooth finishes every time. Whether you're flattening rough lumber or prepping stock, this machine makes it look effortless and professional. Number 2. 220W Power Inverter, 4 Dewalt 20V battery. Next up, this one's a game changer for mobile woodworkers. The 220W power inverter that works with Dewalt 20V batteries. It turns your Dewalt batteries into a portable power station with an AC outlet, USB ports, and even a 400-lumen LED work light. Perfect for camping, outdoor projects, or job sites without outlets. It's compact, powerful, and a lifesaver when you need power on the go. Number 3. IRWIN 12-inch combination square, 179-4469. Every workshop needs one tool for perfect alignment, and the IRWIN 12-inch combination square is exactly that. Made with stainless steel, it's accurate to the millimeter and can mark both 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles. The etched measurements stay visible for life, and it feels solid, not flimsy like cheap knockoff. Number 4. LEXIVON Aluminum Miter Saw Protractor, LX230. If you want dead-on miter cuts, check out the LEXIVON Aluminum Miter Saw Protractor. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's rust-proof and laser-engraved for lifetime accuracy. It takes the guesswork out of measuring tricky corners and angles. No batteries, no calibration, just precise results every single time. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit, DCS 356 C1. Now here's a fan favorite, the Dewalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit. It's one of the most versatile cordless tools you can own, with 3-speed settings and included blades for cutting, sanding, and scraping. You get a battery, charger, and Dewalt reliability in one box. If you're working in tight spots or on the go, this tool saves hours of work. It's one of those tools that turns tough jobs into smooth, quick, and satisfying results. Number 6. Milescraft 8408 Center Finder. Small tool, huge time saver. The Milescraft 8408 Center Finder makes centering and offset marking effortless. It finds the middle of any board instantly, no math or measuring required. Whether you're making joints or layout lines, it's incredibly precise and easy to use. This little gadget removes all the guesswork from your marking jobs. It's a perfect companion for any builder who values accuracy and speed in every cut. Number 7. COSCO SmartFold Butcher Block Portable Workbench. Every workshop needs a solid workspace, and the COSCO SmartFold Workbench might be the most versatile one yet. It folds flat, rolls easily, and locks solidly into place when you're ready to work. The Butcher Block top can handle up to 700 pounds, and the steel frame feels bulletproof. Whether you're in a garage, shed, or mobile setup, this bench is a game changer. Number 8. Milescraft 1319 Joint Mate Dowel Jig. Next, the Milescraft 1319 Joint Mate, the fastest way to create perfect dowel joints. It's self-centering, includes multiple metal bushings, and doesn't require clamps or a drill press. You can make edge, corner, or surface joints in seconds. It's compact, affordable, and perfect for strong, clean connections in your projects. Even beginners can make professional-grade joints that fit tight and look flawless. Number 9. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool, 5.5-inch black. This Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool is one of the smartest layout tools around. It's made from solid aluminum alloy and comes with a deep-hole pencil for marking in tight spaces. Perfect for builders, cabinet makers, and DIYers who care about accuracy. It's durable, sleek, and looks as good as it performs. Every mark feels effortless. It's the kind of precision tool that instantly boosts your craftsmanship. Number 10. GEVEELIFE 1606 and to finish strong. The GEVEELIFE 1600W Buffer Polisher. It's a variable speed machine that goes from 1,000 to 3,500 revolutions per minute, great for sanding, polishing, or waxing wood and metal surfaces. The detachable handle gives you full control, and the motor runs cool, even under pressure. It's powerful, smooth, and surprisingly quiet,